Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the location of headlight fuse on your BMW 1 Series. So it really depends if you have the F20, F21, which was May 2020-2017, or if you have the 2004 to 2013. So first I'm going to talk about the 2020 and 2017, okay? So you're going to locate it right here. It's going to be on the left or right, depends where you're gonna have the wheel, as you can see on the screen. And where it's going to be, it's this 41. So when you're gonna open it, you're gonna have, it's going to look like this. It's going to be the 40 based on, see right here, this is the number 40, and that's for the headlight. So it's going to be right here, and it's going to be here in the middle. I also see it in the right here in the video. Do you see that? So he got like the 40, 40, then there's a space, space, 1, 2. And this is the same thing. Da, 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 space, 1, 2. And this is the 41 that you want to locate for the headlight. I just want to make this quick video, and that's how you're going to do it. Have a great day and goodbye.